In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a logo in Canva. Whether you're starting a business, a personal brand, or simply exploring design as a hobby, creating a logo is a fantastic project to undertake. Canva is a versatile and user-friendly tool that offers a plethora of templates and customization options, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced designers. So let's dive in and get started on designing your unique logo. First, we'll begin by choosing a template. Using a template simplifies the design process significantly, providing a solid foundation from which you can build. Head over to Canva and let's search for a template that suits your style or niche. For instance, if you're creating a logo for a coffee shop, simply type coffee logo in the search bar. This will bring up a range of pre-designed templates specifically related to coffee shops, ready for you to customize. Once you've typed in your search, take a moment to browse through the options. Canva offers an array of templates, so you'll likely find one that aligns with your vision. When you find a design you like, click on it to open it up. This will give you a closer look at the layout and elements included in the template. After deciding on the perfect choice, go ahead and click on Customize this template to start personalizing it. Upon entering the customization interface, you can edit various elements such as text. Click on the text boxes to change the wording to match your brand's name or tagline. You can modify the font style, size, and color to ensure that your logo visually communicates your brand's personality. Canva offers a range of font options, so feel free to experiment until you find the perfect fit. Beyond text, you might want to add other design elements to your logo. To do this, simply click on Elements in the sidebar. Here, you can search for icons, shapes, illustrations, or patterns that you can incorporate into your design. Whether you're looking to add a decorative element or a specific icon, Canva's element library is vast and versatile, allowing for significant creativity. Additionally, color customization is at your fingertips. If you'd like to change the color scheme of your logo, select the elements you want to modify and pick your desired colors. This can help ensure that the logo aligns with your brand color palette, ensuring consistency across all your marketing materials. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to save and download it. Click on Share in the top right corner and then click Download. Select the file type you prefer, though PNG is often recommended for clarity and quality, and then hit Download again. And there you have it. You've not only learned how to make a logo in Canva, but have successfully created one yourself. This process is straightforward and fun, and you can come back anytime to try new designs or projects. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing.